Hello everyone watching. I'm coming to you from my garden in Houston, Texas, and I wanted to share with you my garden as a beginner gardener. I started gardening last year in June, and this is my first spring since I started, so I'm really excited. Let me share with you start by sharing my vegetable and herb garden. So what I have here is, this is rosemary, then this is a lot of fennel. The fennel becomes huge. It was a small plant when I bought it, and now it's like really big and flopping all over. Fennel is a host plant for butterflies, and that is one of the reasons why I have it here. I do sometimes use it for making tea, and the smell is like really nice, the licorice smell of fennel. And here I planted some radishes. It's been a while and they have become big. We've been picking radishes constantly, and as you can see, we have lots of radishes growing here. In fact, I think we need to harvest some. Let's see. Here is one. I even like the leaves of the radish plant. It's like a little bit spicy and quite nice in salads. I also have some carrots growing which are not yet ready to harvest. Here I have a small pea plant. It did not grow very big. I think it was because of the maybe the freeze that impacted its growth, but I have a few peas coming up. Let's see what happens with it. And here's a tiny pea plant. Let's see if it can grow bigger before it becomes too hot in Houston. I have some nasturtiums and some zinnia and some cosmos planted on the side. I've heard that it's nice to plant some flowers with your vegetables to attract the pollinators. This is a small, the tiny chili plant. I've forgotten what it's called, but it's attracts birds. And I have just planted some more peppers and waiting for them to grow bigger. I also have some coriander here. Then going on to, oh yes, and some tomatoes. These were transplants that I just got at the nursery. I have planted some small tomato plants, but I don't know if they will. I'm not so good with this right now, so I don't know if they would grow bigger or not. So I am in the experimenting stage, but there are the small tiny tomato plants. And in my other bed, the vegetable bed, I have a lot of parsley growing. Italian parsley, then here is some curly leaf parsley, and this is the mint marigold, which is very good for adding to potato salads or for egg salads, etc. And this is my dill, which has started flowering, and I just let it flower because I want it to be to attract pollinators. And it has some black swallowtail caterpillars on it. Here is one. I know there are more, but they may be hiding right now in the evening. I can't find them, but I have at least 3 on this plant. Oh, here's another one, and they're really growing bigger by the day. Then I have some kale here, some basil, and some more peppers. um, lot of arugula, which has also started flowering a bit. I need to harvest it for a salad, and all kinds of mustards and Swiss chard. I did plant some garlic, and I think it will take a little bit more for it to actually mature for harvest. This is a Japanese mustard. It's called, let's see, Mizuna. It's supposed to be really nutritious, and the taste is really nice in salads. Lots more mustard, and underneath here I have some watercress and some more watercress here. I just love watercress in salads and sandwiches and all that. Some more nasturtium here, and this is fenugreek. I use it in cooking, but it did grow very well for me. I tried it with seeds, but I'm just letting it go and see if it how it does for a few more days before I take it out. And I'll have to start thinking about how to grow this next year. This is some lettuce, and I have some spinach here, which is also becoming big now. Some more plants of spinach. Hopefully it will last for another month or so in the Houston area before it's too hot for it. So that is my vegetable and herb garden as a beginner gardener, and this all happened like very quickly. So as I said, anybody can do this. It's if I can, anyone can, because I really had no idea how to grow these things before just a few months back. Let's harvest another radish. Let me end by showing you what the giant, which one is the swallowtail? It is the black swallowtail. No, this one, the black swallowtail butterfly, which I just showed you the caterpillars of. And the host plants are carrot, parsley, dill, celery, and fennel. And I have lots of them around here, so hopefully I will find some more caterpillars soon. I also have another host plant called pipe vine, which is called a pipe vine swallowtail. I just planted this and it has sort of started to spread. It spreads at ground level. So I think that's my what I have for you today, and hopefully I can show you the rest of my garden soon. Let me show you these beds that I got made for my vegetable gardening. They have really been very nice. They have the ideal place to grow the amount of vegetables that I wanted to grow right now. So, hope to see you soon with another video. Thank you for watching.